Hello everyone, my name is Gina and I would like to officially welcome you to Season Beauties. If this is your first time visiting with us on today, welcome. If you are returning, thank you so much. Your girl really does appreciate it, and welcome back. Now, our video on today, we will be unboxing our September Curlbox. This is the way I remember Curlbox originally being sent to us. This is the black box, okay? And for those of you who are not familiar with Curlbox, it is amazing, and it's for the natural hair, the curly hair, the coily hair, whatever type of hair you are sporting. Lately, we've even been getting products for relaxed hair. So, either way, this is a box that you need to try out, all right? It is $30 per month. That does include the shipping, okay? And I love it so because 99.9% of the time, the items that you get are full size. So, okay, did all of that. Let's jump in and see what's in the box this month. So, when we open it up, of course, we get our Hey Girlfriend card. Then, oh, this is interesting. We get a brochure for the Salon by InStyle, which is in JCPenney. Okay, so we have one of their brochures. And it even gives you the prices. Okay, so then we get our beautiful description card and information card from Curlbox, and it says September 2021, and the theme is Get in Style. So, oh, how about that? All right. So, let's see. It says dive into this amazing batch of curly treasures we've curated in collaboration with the JCPenney Salon. Hence, the JCPenney brochure. Okay, it says some of your favorite brands, including Design Essentials and Ouidad. These masks, stylers, and oils are the perfect additions to your regimen. Here's a quick look at how to prime, style, and add shine with everything in this box. Okay, well, let's see what's in this box. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and check out each of the products that came. The first step is to prime, and this is priming treatment. Your Twist by your Twist by Ouidad Sunday, that's this one right here, Feels Hydrating Mask, is an ultra-rich silkening mask that transforms dry, damaged, stretched out curls in less than 3 minutes. Okay, let's see what this says. All of the good. It has shea butter, coconut oil, jojoba oil, almond oil, and grapeseed oil. None of the bad, no mineral oils, petroleum, parabens, phthalates, harsh sulfates, and D4, D5, D6 silicones. It says safe for color and chemically treated hair. It is vegan and cruelty-free. And, okay, now on the side, as well as in the front, okay, you see the blue? Here, it says it has 5 drops, but 3 of them are filled in, and it says that's for extra moisture. Lightweight moisture replenishes parched curls. It tells us we can apply it to clean damp hair for 3 minutes, rinse, or leave on overnight for a more intense treatment. Okay, that is step number 1. But I would like to smell this. It has all of those wonderful oils in it. Oh, it's not bad. And it's very creamy. It's almost like a mousse consistency. All right, so that is item number 1. Then from priming, it says conditioning primer. Your Nourish and Style Foam Curl Primer Hair Mousse, which is this one right here, is a hydrating pre-styling conditioner that preps medium to coarse textured hair. Apply this to wet hair to create a barrier between your strands and moisture, so your styler works optimally. Okay, it says foaming curl primer for curls and coils, seal and sculpt, sunflower oil and honey. This is an 8 fluid ounce size, and on the side, I don't know if you can see that clearly, it talks about the different curl patterns and which one this particular product is best for, which is curly and coily hair. All right, when desperately dry hair absorbs moisture from the air, you get frizz. This is very interesting. It says this product is a hydrating pre-styling conditioner for medium to coarse texture, curly and coily hair with sunflower oil and honey. This foaming formula builds around each tightly coiled strand to smooth and sculpt while elongating and defining. It seals the cuticle to create a barrier between your hair and moisture in the air to help prep your hair for easy stylings. No alcohol, no butane, and no propane. Okay, this is Clean List approved. It's cruelty-free, vegan, paraben-free, and mineral oil-free. So that's item number 2. Then after that, we go to the styling portion. And it says Style Revitalizer, Design Essentials Daily Curl Revitalizer. And that's this item right here. It says to give your curls a refreshing boost between styles. This avocado and almond infused moisturizer refluffs curls, restores elasticity, and tames frizz. Okay. Now this is also an 8 ounce size, and this one says it is a daily curl revitalizer. And it says apply liberally all over dry curls and gently reform the curls. Okay. 36-month shelf life and cruelty free. Okay, so that is item number 3. Then item number 4 in the same category would be another twist product, and this one is the Defining Styler, and it's by Ouidad, and this one is the Boss Bounce Styling Cream. Okay, and it says it delivers touchable softness as it creates incredible shape and definition. It also helps tame flyaways and split ends. I'm loving this because all of these products work together to get rid of the frizz. That is amazing. Okay, and let's check out the rubrics on this one. Now, of those 5, all 5 are filled in, so this one is the ultimate moisture product. And it says deep hydration to nourish and restore curls. This lightweight buildable cream delivers definition and hydration for touchable, frizz-free curls. Apply to damp hair from ends to root, air dry or diffuse for more volume. Okay. And it says all of the good shea butter, Patua fruit oil, and jojoba oil. None of the ugly, which would be the mineral oil, petroleum, paraben, phthalates, harsh sulfates, D4, 5, and 6 silicones. Safe for color and chemically treated hair. All right. Okay. This one makes up item number 4. Then we move on to the shine. Now the first one we have, this one is for lightweight shine. It says it's a lightweight formula that works as an all-purpose treatment for thermal protection, shine, and frizz smoothing. Okay, this one is a 2.7 fluid ounce size. It says it absorbs instantly and it is a moisturizing oil. This one has a 12-month shelf life. So if you use it with your shampoo, it says apply several drops into moisturizing shampoo and conditioner. Wash as usual. If you want to use it to style, it says apply to towel dried hair mid-length to ends. Blow dry with your favorite Kenra professional styler. Then it says as a finisher, you apply mid-length to ends to control flyaways and add a polished shine to any look. All right. Okay, that is item number 5. The last 2 products we have are by Kenra Essence, 100% Haitian black castor oil. Okay, and they, however, serve 2 separate purposes. The first one is for growth and shine, and it says loaded with vitamin E and omega fatty acids 3, 6, and 9. Your Kenra Essence Haitian Black Castor Oil Original, which is the one with the red line on it. It says is an intensely rich oil that stimulates hair growth, soothes a fussy scalp, and helps fade stretch marks. Oh, I'm here for this. This is a multi-purpose oil. Here for this. Definitely here for this. Okay. This is one of those types of oils where a little goes a long way. It's got that strong oil smell to it, but I'm here for it. And then it says the second one is for herb infused shine, invigorating rosemary and peppermint combined in your Kenra Essence Haitian Black Castor Oil, organic rosemary mint. This energizing moisturizer can be used on both skin and hair for a subtle tingle. Wow. Okay. Same thing applies. I'm here for this. Definitely here for this. Look, this one is courtesy of ORS. We about to work it out, okay? I'm very excited to use this because frizz during the summertime seems to be an issue for me, okay? Big time. So I guess because I am outside the weather is so dry except over the last couple of weeks, so it just like sucks the moisture right out of my hair. But these are the items that were included in our September curl box. Down below, you will see the manufacturer's suggested retail price for all of the products, okay? Now, I thank you so very much for choosing to spend time with me on today as we unboxed the September curl box. If you desire to try this, make sure you pay attention, okay? Now, even if you decide that you don't want to do this on a monthly basis, but you did see some product that you might like, check out their website, because they do sell a non-subscription box as well, okay? It's a little pricey, but membership has its privileges, y'all. So nonetheless, remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time,